Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well in your life and enjoying your life. And as you see, this is in really beautiful black color, really different, and look really nice. So in this video, we will see some high pencil heel in really beautiful design and different color combination. And as you see, this is in black color, a simple black, but it look really beautiful. And this is also a silver shiny black. It look really a different color combination, and this is simple black and golden. This also look really beautiful. Heels which make your personality and look gorgeous, and I always try my best to bring you useful content and useful material. And watch this video till the end, because there are a lot of color combinations, lot of designs, and beautiful designs available in this video. And as you see, this is a really cute, a really dreamy type of heel, and it looks really beautiful. The color is also nice, and this is in purple color, a further type of thing. It looks really amazing. It looks really nice. This is also a really beautiful, a dreamy heel, like a princess vibe. And as you said, this is in silver color, a shiny material with the golden buckles, and it look really beautiful. Like there are many type of heel, like strap heels, T strap, totally open toed heel, and many more. And as you see, this is in purple color. It's really beautiful, a lavender type of shade. This is two heels and different colors with the same designs. And as you see, this is in red color, a really beautiful. This is a really good, a sneakers type of design, but in heel, and it look good. And if you're a high lover and we kind of lovers on this platform, you'll find them in really beautiful design and different color combinations. So do check them and comment below what type of video you'll want to see the next. If you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon. If you press bell icon, whenever I post a new video, you'll get the notifications. So that's today's video. I will see you in my next video. So goodbye, take care, and